Sige po.
Public interest. So, ma'am, explain ko lang din kung may gusto kang itanong. Kailangan niya po ng certified true copy nitong 2316.
Okay.
And may hinihingi po ang inyong officer of the day kasi palit-palit mo.
Opo, every
And sabi mo more or less 10 times
10
na lang.
times na po.
May hinihingi which is ano yun?
Annex F po.
Annex F.
Okay.
And balikan ko lang ma'am, ang requirement ma'am ng pag-ibig, certified true copy.
Okay.
Now, back to basic ma'am, ang pagkaintindi ko ma'am, i-correct mo ako kung mali. Pag merong certain document, kung saan galing office, kaya pinasa-certify to check whether valid or not.
Di nag-issue nito yung employer mo, di ba? Right? Okay. So you're asking us for
CTC.
CTC.
Now ma'am, tapusin ko lang ma'am, tapos mag-usap
Okay,
kayo.
How are you, sorry sir, how are you related to this sir?
Wala ma'am, nangailangan lang siya ng tulong.
You
And ako
go
lang,
to your office.
alam niyo naman, may advocacy ako, pag may mga ganitong problema.
Yeah, oo.
As long as nakikita kong tama yung public, nag-e-effort ako.
Sure naman,
Okay.
welcome naman.